Oh my goodness. GoPro just announced the new DJI Action 5 Pro Hero XIII Black Edition. Huh? I'm joking. The real names are the GoPro Hero XIII Black Edition and the DJI Action 5 Pro. And honestly, I don't know which one is better. I don't know, maybe pick up both and try them out and then return one? Let's start with the GoPro first. So one of the big upgrades on the Hero XIII Black Edition is the interchangeable mounting system. Now you can use a magnetic mount to hot swap the GoPro onto different mounting locations. That's a nice upgrade. Another big upgrade is the battery. It looks like the battery on the new GoPro Hero Black is a 1900 milliamp hour battery that actually will give you up to 2.5 hours of runtime. The biggest upgrade is the slow-mo, 240 frames per second at 1080p. And if you want to get super slow-mo, you can go 400 frames per second at 720p, which is absolutely mind-blowing. 4K 120, 2.7K 120, and 5.3K at 60 frames a second. Now, one of the biggest upgrades on the audio is being able to plug in a wireless or Bluetooth microphone. Potato Jet did a much better job than I could on this video explaining that, so I'll just let him explain it.
I have this DJI mic too that I'm connected to the GoPro, so you're listening to that audio right now. Here is how the microphone sounds when it's full quality, and here's how this microphone sounds when it's transmitted to the GoPro. It doesn't seem to transmit the full audio quality all the time to all Bluetooth devices.
And the big feature on the new GoPro is the swappable lenses. Oh my gosh, you can swap lenses onto the new GoPro. This is crazy. They have an anamorphic lens, a macro lens, and an ultra wide lens straight from the factory, as well as a variety of different ND filters so that you don't have to compromise on your exposure. Now let's take a look at the Action 5 Pro. Now the DJI Action 5 Pro has a 1950 milliamp hour battery, a 4-hour battery runtime. That's an hour and a half longer than the GoPro. So that's something to factor in if you need long runtime. They're selling what's called a multifunctional charging handle, which is a selfie stick that doubles as a tripod and an external charging pack, further extending the battery life of the DJI Action 5 Pro. Another great feature with the DJI Action 5 Pro is the Bluetooth wireless microphone capabilities. Now remember, DJI makes the Mic 2s, all right? And those microphones are gonna work seamlessly with the DJI Action 5 Pro with no quality loss. DJI has not announced swappable lenses, so maybe we give the nod to GoPro, but it looks like the quality is slightly better, especially in low light on the DJI Action 5 Pro. So I don't know which one is truly better. So let me know in the comments below, which one is better, the Action 5 Pro or the GoPro Hero XIII Black Edition? Be sure to give us a follow, we greatly appreciate it. And give this video a like if we should keep making content like this. All right, content creators, I'm out. Peace. Today's episode is sponsored by the Content Parlor Studios. The Content Parlor Studios is the destination for content creators and business owners to make super dope content in North Omaha. The Content Parlor Studio features state-of-the-art equipment, including cameras, lighting, and colorful backdrop options for you to rent as well. You can rent the podcast studio for video production, or if you're looking to do something with still photos, you can rent the photo studio as well. That would include modeling and product photos and other types of creative projects. If you want to rent the studio or the equipment, check out the link in the description below. Now back to the episode.